Hello everyone, welcome for today's video, and we're gonna summarizing the book called Atomic Habit. We coming to the third chapter. Congratulations to all of you that you are the viewer of my channel as a beginner. Now the third chapter was named the How to Build Better Habit in 4 Simple Steps. Let us now get some knowledge about some thing. In the time of 1898, a psychologist named Edward Thorndike conducted an experiment that I explained in my words that the experiment was of the type that the Edward take a experiment on the habits of a people, what type of habit they consume or what type of habit they are actually they suffer from themselves. So that he has to take a challenge or take a experiment from the cats, so that the cats of where many cats has taken into the experiment and how the experiment began, so that I will explain you that. Let's begin. We put a cat onto the piece of box. Okay, let's suppose a box of empty box, an empty box with nothing is at the this box. This is an empty box as you assume that, and according to in this box there was having a space behind the at very much space inside the box, and after a time there was having putting a cat inside them, and also putting a lever. For example, as you seen a rat trap in the rat trap for uh, capturing the rat. For example, the lever was for example a lever that has to be taken to be pulled, and then the gate was down. For example, as according to the inspired the into the box, a lever was set up. A lever was set up to set up in the box, so that the door of the box get opened through by pressing the box. First of all, the thing is that by doing the experiment, this was having multiple of time for doing this experiment to loop of the cord. The cat who was entering, the cat who has in the empty box was entering first of all and assuming that he was alone or he was not doing anything. After a minute, few minutes, she was assuming or she was finding or she was get some consciousness about himself, that what he could do, able on how to he would to be escape from himself from this uh, side, so that he would try to take a decision that she wanted to uh, in conscious he wanted to get run out and to throw the all of the boxes and smashing, so sorry, smashing or 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 the point is so called that, or stick their paws to the mouth or the nose by saying that please leave me out. And after a time, after a few minutes, the cat get the lever, and by pressing the gate goes open after a long term of more than 160 second, called as more than 1.5 minute, so that this point will be discovered. And after the time it will be recalled again 12 times, 12 look of the time following, as for finding the habits that would be discovered, so that the Edson will taken the experiment again and again up to 12 times. After getting the 12 times, the cat will reach up to 160 second, 30 second, 90 second, 60 second, 50 second, 28 second, 20 second, 30 second, 22 second, 11 second, 15 second, 20 second, 12 second, 10 second, 14 second, 10 second, 8 second, 8 second, 5 second, 10 second, 8 second, 6 second, 6 second, 7 second, and lots of time to be of the interval that said that Habit are the experiment or formation of regular doing any work to be minimizing the time. For example, the cat was first of all into the box, would could not find the lever, but after the consciousness in his mind, he was just to pulling the lever, and after the time the box get open. By doing the same activity again and again, the time period taken the time period taken for the uh, coming open the door or getting a food of bowl, it will be again and again. This will helping for the change. This will helping for the, sorry this will helping for the change. This will helping for the increasing in the time, decreasing the time level, so that until when the cat will at 1.5 minute to goes to the 20 second or 10 to 6 8 second by doing the regular habit again and again, so that this will be happening to be very much consciousness. Another point is also called that your brain build habit. Your brain build habit. How our brain build habit? as um, as we suppose ourselves like to be a pussy cat. For example, the pussy cat also seem to be that the first of all kept ourselves in the presence of the box, and the box our situation that would be taken and place the condition that we have, and after time the push the lever. First of all, we have to get our surrounding where we can find, thus just to take a action. After the time we will get the response, and after they get the result or the error from our side, and after the time we get recover again and again and get so much eradicated toward ourselves. Also, there is say that the neurological activity in our brain is high during this period, in which period when the work of our habit was returning or happening again and again, the brain was ready to prepare the work or they wanted to do it. For example, a person who was wake up in the morning always to go for the brush, to teeth their brush, for cleaning her brush, for getting a food, or for getting a diet plan for them, so that this will be a bunch of habit for, so that the good habit making from the initial time of the day. So that first of all you have we are you are you have we have to exploring and exploring, then bomb get a result, bomb result. For example, that's the point. And the another is that after stumbling upon unexpected reward feel good, and what I do right before that. The thing is that we have to stumbling or struggle first of all the time, and after a long interval time we get a response through it and getting a very good information from ourself and good reward from it. And now coming to the another point, as a habit created, the level of activity in the brain decreases. You learn to lock in in on the cue that predicts success and turn out everything else, because as the habit was gone on, the time taken that has to be very much lesser or very much minimum time to be taken. After the time, the minimum time taken for the delivering the quotes or delivering the any of the work that in your habit take a lesser time for the expressing their thoughts, so that your mind doesn't wanted to work upon maximum effort or lots or another effort for their discussion for their any of the thing, so that the discussion will be something that lesser for themselves, so that this will be how could they help. And another point is that for getting any of the result we have to get a focusing upon ourselves, that getting a reward ourselves, because by getting lots of work again and again we get tired and doesn't wanted to get a self sorry to say, but the self enrollment to this, so that this will be take a stuck mindset that believe ourselves are doing the best of yourself, and just to take a learn and get a error and get a more experience through it, because habit are the experience because as doing same thing again and again with the improvement of daily basis, we get something about self, that how we are performing our day by concising the habits to be simplifying ourselves and to becoming to be this place to becoming to be that this place, so much intense for ourselves. Now let's coming to the point that how science of habit works. There are having the four step. The first step called as a cue, craving, response, and the reward. As you can see in the picture. Now coming to the point that every four step pattern are the backbone of a habit. As you all know that the backbone of our human body is the uh, at the back, so that this will helping to be give a proper functioning to our upper body part, so that we will scroll our body up down, moving our head, or doing lots of thing by and getting help from this thing, so that for getting information to this type, there was having the first is q is the type of motivation, say that that a behavior, a bit of information that predict reward. Our precious ancestor was paying attention to chew that signed the location of primary reward like food, water, and dash. That was I doesn't want to disclose it, so that but to in today's generation we have to just focusing upon our future goal, that we have to be take grab upon it ourselves, because for becoming to be a person with having a more wealthier person, we have to be take concern about ourselves, that how we could be able to take a consumption from ourselves or our side, so that to keep our to be becoming to be a growth related person. Now another the second step was coming to the craving is the craving is the other motivate second step, that the motivate behind the every habit. Because let us take an example, that a person who tried to keep becoming to be very much healthy for their life routine, or take a healthy diet, or taking a goes to a morning workout for his health he was so much health conscious for ours himself, so that he has to be self motivated, that he has to be wake up at the 4 o'clock in the morning, so that he goes to a run or taking a workout for himself for the improvement in body workout session. So that another is the responsive. The thing is that for getting motivated, for getting any of the approach, and after the time we have to get a response toward the current and the quick response to ourselves. Because the first of all fear is that too we get a failure upon the thing, that we are just say that we have to no failure, no, don't worry about any other thing, that we are get a failure. This is a part of the life, and that could be happen, that we have to get many more times to be get involved into becoming to be a very much grow get wealthier people, and goes to very much down toward ourselves, that we cannot create any of the thing, so that this will matters a lot of people, so that the response delivered to the person to person vary from person to person for becoming to be the successful person, so that this will be how it's to be intended and how is to be needed for that, and the response delivered to the reward. And after the time the last is last point says that the reward, the first of all thing is that by getting or approaching the all of the information that we have to chew crude or the response, and after the lots of doing the such of thing, we are supposed to going for the reward. But the thing is that whenever we goes to the reward, that's such example that first of all from the first of the example, that a cat that should be taken into the box, and just applying the liver, he get a bowl of a food, so that for getting the reward he push the bell icon or push the lever again so fastly, so that get achieving or get speed up for achieving the food bowl. So that we have also take to a decision that we are doing the first of all the habit of that work we are doing, and after the time we go for run for the reward, because reward is very much essential, because for getting motivated, for getting continue our response, or continue our chew or crew the continue our habits. For first of all thing is that the reward is very much necessary for long term of continuous toward ourselves. That was very much difficult for our self. Another point is that in our nervous system, that would be now coming to the point that, as you can see in the image, that the habit was totally depending upon the fourth step. The first step is the chew, second step is the craving, third step is the response, and fourth step is the reward. How is the this taken? There are some problem that the let's coming to the problem about for the continuing our habit, good habits, or disclosing our bad habits. The some points are problem phases. The first is the chew and clavering. The first of all step was very much difficult, or very much taking time toward ourselves, so that we becoming to be a growth related person, or becoming to be a adopting the same, adopting the best of the drive and desired problem. The problem is the chew and craving, because the first step is the very much initial step and the very much hard step that has to be grabbed upon it. And the another solution phase, the response and the reward, because until whenever you go through it, we get a response that it was not too hard, just going toward it, and that the whenever that the push was pushing the lever, that he would not know that what could be happen to himself, and what could be happen to himself. And after getting the pushing the lever, he get a response or getting a reward for himself. So that this would be very much solution for them. And first of all step is very much hard, but we have to get a stick. And another, there was problem that your phone busy with a new text message. Chew is that we are just scrolling the phone or disturbing ourselves with the chewing. And crabbling is that you want to learn content of the message. You grab your phone and read the text. You satisfy the crabbling to read the message. Grab your phone, becoming associated with your phone buzzing. The reward is that the phone, let's suppose that your phone is buzz with a new text message. Let's coming to the notification come out, and after the time the crabbling, you want to learn content of the message. The content of the message delivered, that the message was the content, and the response that we has to learn, or that he has to read or the phone to the text message. And the reward is to grabbing your phone, becoming to be associated with your phone buzzing, the buzzing notification. Another example, that you answer the email, you begin to stressed and overwhelmed by work when you want to be feel in the control. You bite your nails. You satisfied that your crabbling reduce stress, biting your nails, becoming to be associated with the answering email. As example say that, as you want to send an email for a person for in your business or in your studies, so that by answering the email you have to begin to stress or overwhelming to the work, and feel very much self feel in want to be feel in control. So that after a time you bite your nails in the response, that will reduce your stress level for the reward, as a bunch of reward. Another, that you wake up, and you wake up feel alert, you drink a cup of coffee, you satisfy craving a feel alert. For example, let's a person who wants to run in a marathon, or anything, that he want to becoming to be a healthier person, so that he want to wake up in the morning. So to the first of all thing is to that get reward into the morning by taking a simple step. The first of all step is to get wake up in the morning and get a cup of coffee, or cup of water, or cup of some healthy food that he has to eat. And after getting this eating reward, he get a bunch of energy level, in high energy level, so that this will be helping lots of high energy. There, and such a most or more problem and more solution phase were taken. The four law of behavior change. The first law is that the choose, second law craving, third law response, fourth law reward. How to create good habit, make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. The fourth law or the fourth law will be explained as there, and the point. how to break down bad habit, make it invisible. For example, the bad habit that want to becoming that is just to scrolling the phone regularly and again. So that to make it so that you wanted to just to make it invisible. After getting it invisible, you could not see it again and again, and so that the bad habit will be disclosing. So that if you want to becoming to be a morning person, so that make it invisible, that the your bed is lots and your alarm was lots of far from yourself, so that you will get a lots of time to get wake up in the morning and get exercises. Make it unattractive for the craving, for breaking down the bad habit, make it unattractive, because like to some people want to scrolling the phone, make it unattractive, that this was not happening to be very much conscious thing, very much attractive thing, very much lots of attractive things, so that it will making unattractive. Another thing is make it difficult, so that let's first of all to scrolling down the reels or the anything, so you have to first of all keep the phone, so that you have to keep the phone inside very much far from yourself, so that you cannot achieve it. So that how could you respond yourself to get inside, get a hold deep inside yourself for the bad habit. So that, and the last point is make it unsatisfying. Make it unsatisfying because you need to satisfy to get it the phone and scrolling it again, but after the time if you try to get unsatisfied with them, so that after the time it will always that seem to be get out from your life. Now after the time we coming to the summary of the chapter. The summary said that a habit is a behavior that has been repeated enough time to become automatically. The first summary of the point says that. The second point says that the ultimate purpose of habit is to solve the problem of life with the little energy and the effort as possible. Third point says that any habit broken down into a feedback loop involve four steps: cue, craving, response, and the reward. The fourth law of behavior change are a simple set of rules we can use to build better habits. They are: first, make it obvious; second, make it attractive; third, make it easy; and fourth, make it satisfying. This is and another we coming from the make it obvious. The first law of the book that was make it obvious, that will be tomorrow. The next chapter will be discussed from with ourselves. Now the another chapter called the chapter 4 called as the man who do not like look right. And this is for today's video, and I today for watching for the video till now, very thankful, and saying very much thank you for you for watching my video for till the time. So that very much thank you, and lots of love from myself, and very much bye bye. And this is for today's video, and hope we will meet in tomorrow's video. And for keep growing, keep exploring, and becoming to be a great self improvement or self motivated person into our life. And thank you for the becoming to be a great personality, and thank you very much.